Okay, pop quiz, what's the fastest way to stay poor? Spoiler alert, it's saving money. My grandpa told me that, and I thought he'd finally lost his marbles. But turns out, he was the only one playing the game right. Back in the day, Grandpa was a visionary. Which is just a fancy word for, guy who sits under a tree and stares at clouds. He'd tell Grandma, someday, I'll have a shop. Someday, I'll have cows. Meanwhile, the only thing he actually had was a world record for sitting still. He thought he was telling his future into existence. But newsflash, the universe doesn't take IOUs. Then came the night that someday bubble popped. My dad, just a tiny, hungry kid then, asked for bread. Grandpa opened the cupboard and... empty. So, he finally got to work. He saved every penny in a glass jar under the bed. He wore shoes with more holes than a Swiss cheese. He thought the jar was his tomorrow. Fast forward to the market, he brings the jar to buy corn, and the shopkeeper is like, cool jar, but prices doubled while you were busy hoarding. The money didn't change, but its power did. He'd saved the paper, but he'd lost the race. That's when Grandpa had his aha moment. He didn't put the money back in the jar. He bought chickens. He realized that a jar of money is just a dead battery. But a chicken, that's an asset. One egg became two. Two became a flock. He wasn't saving anymore. He was investing. He stopped talking about someday and started building right now. He told me, holding money is like holding water in your hands. It's gonna slip away. But if you plant it, it becomes a tree that feeds you while you sleep. My grandpa wasn't lazy. He was just learning that a dream without a seed is just a hallucination. Don't just save for a rainy day. Build a roof that the rain can't touch.